Hey, oh, right. Press hack modification. Now, I saw Cliff on Cliff Shed's channel, and he's got a big fancy lathe and was able to lathe himself a cool little knob that is stuck up on the fitment for the press. Now, I looked at my fitment and it's not the same. It's not got the pin that goes through it. So we're going to make a quick and easy quick release mechanism to activate it, because pumping that, pulling it out, finding it in place, twisting it back, pulling out, getting it in, that's just too annoying. So you know the drill. Right, now what we're going to need is go into the scrap bin and pull out a piece of pipe, just a small. It's just because this radius here is quite small, so that's good enough for me. Right, now we'll take you over here to the vise. Now we're going to want to bend it, so we'll stick it in the vise. Like so. If you don't have a vise, then you know, improvise, find something. Right, so now we got a handle shape. Now put it back in the vise. Clamp it down in there good and proper. Now we'll get ourselves a hacksaw, and all we're going to do, where are you? Oh, hold on. You can see again, man! Right, I've kind of crushed that a bit flat, but we'll fix that. So we just want to notch out the bit where the two parts are sticking out on the press. So. Everybody's screaming, let the saw do the work. Yeah, it's probably good. Probably is good enough for me. Right, then we'll get, well, you could use pliers, but I've got snips, so I'm just going to grab that little flap that's there. Pop it out. Same the other side. Just wiggle it. And we have a quick release handle. Come over here, where are we? It's not fitting. Yeah, it will. I'm just going to stick a screwdriver, as you can see. Where are we? I flattened the top part. So we'll just pry it up a bit. There, it's on. And that's a quick release handle. It's easy as that, no lathe needed. It's just a little notch chopped out the end of a pipe. And to make it tight so it's not falling off, you can just come in behind it with a chisel and a hammer and just tap these corners snug around it. Sweet as a nut. Look at that. Works a treat. Yeah. As easy as that. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye for now.